to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing and tuning in. If you have been kicking it with me for a minute, thank you for kicking it with me. Now, let's get into these deals, y'all. Store was called Deal on Deals. All right, and it is the store that we have here in town. I've never seen this store anywhere else, so I think it's like privately owned, mom and pop type store. But they get stuff from like if a truck wrecks or something like that. All right, so I'm going to start with the body mist. All right, and they had a whole bunch of these body mists, and these smell so good. I love these body mists. They come in several different aromas, and they're really good. They are called Good Chemistry. All right, this one is called Water Lily. All right, smells really good, and the smell lasts for a minute. I mean, it's not like you spray it on and then 10 minutes later the smell is gone. These last. I have used these myself, so I know they're good. All right, and Good Chemistry makes very good products. All right, this one is Grand Palm. All right, and then we got a Bluebell. And some of them on the back tells you exactly what's in them. Bluebell is sandalwood, jasmine, citron. I'm sorry, citron, bluebells, and jasmine is what this is. And it smells really good. These have essential oils in them as well. All right, and I got two bluebells. And I was trying to get two of each of them. They have, oh, I'm sorry, y'all. My nose is itching, y'all. My nose itches all the time, so y'all have to ignore me. But they have so many of these that I could have grabbed a whole bunch of them because, once again, Good Chemistry is a brand name. And these, they smell wonderful. All right, so another Bluebell. Ended up with 3 of those. This one is Good Chemistry Daydreamer body spray. And it says right there, with essential oils. All right, Vivid and Lush with a hint of longing. That's cute. All right, and this one is sea salt, juicy pineapple, and cashmere woods. So, smells very good. All right, this one is called Wild Child. And then we have another Water Lily. And then I've got my last one here is another Daydream or Daydreamer. And that's what that one's looking like. All right, so this was a very good buy. These body sprays were $2 each. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, $18 for these, which I still think is a great buy. All right, and then, of course, we're trying to focus more on men's baskets. So I was able to find the Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Toner for men in there as well. And this is She Moisture is the name of the company. This is also a very good product. All right, and these will be in my men's baskets. $2 each for these two. They had 3 of them. The other one didn't have the lid, so I didn't buy it. But I did get these 2. So will go in 2 of my baskets. Now, for the win, y'all, they had bonnets. Look at these bonnets, y'all. I'm going to open this. So, I'm sorry, I don't need the bag because I'm going to rebag this, maybe. But these were $2 each as well. And they had a great big old box of these. These are all satin bonnets, and the tag is on here. It says satin material, waterproof, satin bonnets. All right, and they're pretty big in size. All right, I'm loving the color of these. All right, and it is stretchy. So this is a very good size bonnet. It's satin, inside and out. All right, and this is going to make a great addition to a Valentine's basket, especially one of my spa day baskets, because I am working on those. All right, so I picked up 3 of those. So $24, I was able to get 3 of the satin bonnets, 2 facial toners for men, and 9 body sprays. All right, so I wanted to pop on, share that with you. This haul was a good one. I have really enjoyed this. And like I said, I was trying to get there over the weekend. I just wasn't able to. All right, so I'm not going to be doing any basket videos tonight, only because I haven't, as you can clearly see around me, I have not made it into the crafty corner. I literally am just walking in the door from work. I got to get these kids fed. I am a mom and a grandma, and my mother lives with me as well. And I am a full-time employee. I'm a nurse, so... and tonight is my call night. I'm on call tonight. So the nights that I'm on call, I don't go to the crafty corner, because as soon as I get into that mode, y'all know how that goes. You get into the swing and you're like pumping them out and going. I'll get that call that I have to go in tonight. So I don't even go in the crafty corner when I'm on call. Because I don't like being interrupted when I'm crafting. I like to do what I'm doing and keep the mojo going. All right, so anyway, I wanted to share that haul with y'all tonight. I'm digging and loving these bonnets. The bonnets have that hint of pink in them. And so this is going to make a great, and I think like maybe a rose gold basket, gift basket, even black that's decorated with rose gold. Anyway, we're going to come up with something, and when I do, you all will be the first to know. Those come in these packages like this, and I may go back. I know I may. I'm probably going to go back next week. And if these bonnets are still there, I'm going to buy the rest of them, because she had a box of them, and I just picked up 3 of them to see what I could do with them. All right, so that was my take tonight, and that store was called Deal on Deals. And like I said, I've never seen the store anywhere else. Where that store is located was a furniture store when I initially moved down here. I think they've been there now probably 9-10 years. They've been there a long time. And I used to go in there quite often, and I hadn't been in there in a while. And so I decided, well, let me go in here and see if they have the Good Chemistry body sprays, and they did. So I picked those up, as well as the toner for men and the satin bonnets. So I love these bonnets. All right, so I'll go back in next week if they still have the bonnets. Matter of fact, next week when I go in there, I'll take you with me so you can get a look at the store as well. All right, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, they don't have just body mist and these things. They have eyelashes. They have, all of these things that they have. eyelashes, mascara, makeup, more body mist. They've got Dove. They've got some of everything. So you just have to go in there and scan those aisles and look on those shelves and see exactly what it is that you want. But in the meantime, stay blessed, be blessed, and be a blessing. Thank you all for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this channel with other people and help me grow. I appreciate all that you all do. I thank you for your comments, your positive feedback, and your words of encouragement. Until next time, I'll catch you on the tube. Bye-bye.